Stop scrolling. What if I tell you that in 2026, you can create professional videos for free using AI? No camera, no microphone, and no editing skill required. Stay till the end because I'll show you step by step how to turn a simple text into amazing videos using a 100% free AI website. Hey everyone, welcome back to JK Future Tech. If you want to create videos for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels without spending any money, then this video is for you. Today, I'll show you how to make free AI videos in 2026 using text only. Let's start step by step. Step 1. Open the free AI website. First of all, open your browser and go this website windows.com. This is a free AI text to video generator, no credit card required. Now click on text to video AI. Step 2. Paste your script. Now you will see a text box. Simply copy your script and paste it here. Make sure your script is written in short paragraphs because AI will automatically convert each paragraph into a video scene. Step 3. Choose AI video style. Now select video style professional AI presentation. Aspect ratio 16:9 for YouTube, 9:16 for shorts or reels. You can also select a avatar if you want a talking human-like video. Step 4. Add AI voice, no mic needed. Now choose an AI voice Windows offers natural human-like voices, English, Urdu, Hindi, and more. Select a voice you like and click preview. Once satisfied, click apply. Step 5. Add free background music. Now let's make the video more engaging. Click on background music. Choose any free music from the library. Adjust volume to low so voice is clear. This will give your video a professional feel. Step 6. Auto subtitle, very important. Now enable auto subtitle. Subtitle help increase watch time, reach more audience, look professional. Choose subtitle style and position. Step 7. Generate the AI video. Now everything's ready. Click on generate video. AI will take 1-2 minutes and your text will convert into a full video automatically. Step 8. Download the video. Once the video is ready, click download, select HD quality, save the video on your device. Congratulations, you just created a 100% free AI video. Step 9. Upload to YouTube. Quick tip. Now upload your video on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels. Use strong title, attractive thumbnail, keywords in description. This help your video rank faster. Best content ideas for AI videos. You can create AI tool tutorial, tag tips, motivation videos, facts and storytelling, education content, YouTube automation videos. If this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe to JK Future Tech. Comment AI if you want more free AI tools and tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.